In this evening's edition of The Best and Bravest, we zoom in on the work of flight crew workers. Here's Kodian Barrett with that report.
The best and the bravest.
Flight attendants have always had unique occupational hazards, from managing bad behavior on board to balancing jet lag. But the pandemic has brought even more and tougher challenges for these essential workers. Prior to COVID crossing paths with our airline workers, they didn't know what to expect.
I was a bit scared. I will not lie about that. I was a bit scared because I didn't know what I was expecting. I didn't know what was coming, and I did not know how it would be dealt with.
When the first COVID case hit, we're thinking about all around the world when people died from this disease. So, this virus. So it was kind of, at that point, it was scary. So the atmosphere was more like, how we're going to be in an enclosed environment with passengers and not contract it.
And because social distancing wasn't an option for flight attendants, they quickly learned how to protect themselves.
You see, we have our masks. We also have what are called PPEs. It consists of a gown that you have to wear. You don your gloves. You have your face shield or your mask that you wear on board.
Luckily for the pilot, there's not much interaction.
As cockpit crew, we have minimal interaction with the passengers. We board before the passengers. The door is closed and kept closed. And we use a proper and normal sanitizing procedures.
Eventually, the inevitable flights stopped, which meant their jobs were at risk. But supervisors had to keep workers encouraged.
When the pandemic started, we had stopped flying for quite a while, for a few months. So there wasn't really much to do, and we work together as a team. Everything is always teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. And we just reassured them, look, the airline has our best interests at heart, so there's no need to worry.
As flights restarted, what would be expected of clashes over mask policies were surprisingly not an issue.
Not since COVID, no. They've gotten calmer and they have been very compliant.
Almost a year later, flight crews remain on the front line of the fight against the virus, and they had no doubts about their choice in career.
Just like the doctors and all other first responders, we have a job, and our job is transporting passengers, and that's what we signed up for. So you just have to take the necessary precautions.
Fear and pilots don't go hand in hand. No fear.
Now, there are calls for airline workers to be prioritized for the COVID-19 vaccine. Although aviation has been hit hard by the pandemic, the pilot is hopeful the vaccine will bring some normalcy.
A number of industries have been severely hit by the pandemic, and aviation is one of them. So we're hoping for a rebound. We know that with the advent and distribution of the vaccine, things will get better. So we're looking forward to a good 2021.
Kodian Barrett, TVJ News.
The best and